Hello Kenta friends. Welcome to our YouTube video where we will explore some of the best photo video maker with music applications for Android users. Today, we will take a closer look at Mivo, Mivi, and Beat.ly and discover how these apps can help you create stunning videos with ease. Mivo. Mivo is one of the best photo video maker with music applications for Android users. With Mivo, users can create interesting videos with their selected photos and add background music that suits the video's atmosphere. The app is equipped with various creative features such as filters, effects, text, and stickers that can be used to enhance your video. Additionally, Mivo also offers a variety of song choices that can be selected as background music for your video. Mivi. Mivi is a creative application that allows users to create unique videos by combining photos and videos in one sequence. The app comes with background music features that can add emotions and atmosphere to the videos you create. With Mivi, you can express your creativity by using various effects, filters, and stickers provided to make your videos more interesting and captivating. Beat.ly. Beat.ly is a popular video maker application among Android users. With Beat.ly, you can easily create cool and interesting videos with background music of your choice. The app provides various templates that can be used to quickly and efficiently create videos. Additionally, Beat.ly offers a wide selection of rich songs and special effects that can be used to enhance the visual quality of your video. With its complete and user-friendly features, Beat.ly makes the video creation. In conclusion, Mivo, Mivi, and Beat.ly are top-notch photo video maker with music apps that offer a plethora of creative options for Android users. So why wait? Start creating your visual masterpiece today with these amazing applications.